Cane Corso are powerful and stately dogs that look like real bodyguards. Their appearance immediately inspires respect. These dogs are an ancient breed that was known in ancient Rome. They were used as fighting dogs and guards. Cane Corso are not only strong, but also very smart dogs. They learn quickly and understand what is wanted from them. Despite their serious appearance, they are very devoted and affectionate with their family. For them, the owner is sacred. Cane Corso copes well with the role of guards. They are always alert and ready to protect their territory and family. These dogs can be quite large, weighing up to 50 kilograms, but they move gracefully and confidently. Cane Corso are not aggressive dogs, but they always know when to be strict. Their instincts work perfectly. They get along well with children if they are raised correctly. Cane Corso can be patient and caring nannies. These dogs do not require complex care, but they need physical exercise and training to stay in shape. And yes, Cane Corso is not just a dog, but a true friend and protector who will be with you in any situation. The next animal is a puma. You know, pumas are one of the most secretive and graceful predators. They are also called mountain lions or cougars, but no matter what you call them, they remain true masters of camouflage. By the way, pumas are record holders in high jumps. They can jump 5 to 6 meters up to climb a tree or catch prey. It's like a natural trampoline. And pumas are also loners. They do not live in packs like lions and prefer to hunt and live on their own. The territory of one puma can occupy hundreds of square kilometers. A puma is a universal hunter. It can hunt deer, elk, rabbits, and even livestock if there is no other prey nearby. It's like a real gourmet of the forest. By the way, pumas are nocturnal predators. They prefer to hunt at dusk or at night to use their excellent visibility in the dark. During the day, they usually rest in a shelter. Pumas are also excellent runners. They can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, but only over short distances. However, their jumps and maneuverability compensate for this. By the way, pumas are excellent swimmers. They can swim across rivers and lakes if they need to find a new place to hunt or escape from danger. Pumas are also caring mothers. Females raise their cubs alone, teach them to hunt, and survive in the wild. The cubs stay with their mother for up to 2 years. And finally, pumas are an important part of the ecosystem. They control the populations of deer and other animals, helping to maintain balance in nature. The next animal is a boa constrictor. You know, boa constrictors are not poisonous snakes, but that doesn't mean they are safe. They kill their prey by squeezing it with their body coils until it stops breathing. It's like a natural press. By the way, boa constrictors are excellent swimmers. They can easily move around in water and even hunt there. So, if you meet a boa constrictor by the river, don't think that water will save you. It feels right at home there too. Boa constrictors are also masters of disguise. Their coloring helps them blend in with their surroundings, be it leaves, branches, or stones. It's like natural camouflage. Boa constrictors are cold-blooded, like all snakes. This means that they depend on the ambient temperature to maintain their activity. That's why you can often see them basking in the sun. By the way, boa constrictors are caring mothers. They do not lay eggs like many other snakes, but give birth to live young. And yes, they stay with them for some time to protect them from predators. And boas can eat prey that is larger than their head. Their jaws are designed in such a way that they can stretch and their body can expand. It's like a natural transformer. By the way, boas are long-lived. In the wild, they can live up to 20 to 30 years, and in captivity, even longer if they are well taken care of. And finally, boas are an important part of the ecosystem. They control the populations of rodents and other small animals, helping to maintain balance in nature. The next animal is a mouse. Mice are not just small rodents, but real masters of survival. They live almost everywhere, in fields, forests, cities, and even in houses. By the way, mice are excellent climbers. They can climb vertical surfaces, run along wires, and crawl into the narrowest cracks. It's like natural parkour runners. And mice are also social animals. They live in groups and communicate using sounds that humans can't even hear. They have a whole system of negotiations, from warnings of danger to invitations to dinner. Mice are omnivores. They eat everything, from grain and fruit to insects and even glue. Well, what to do if you're hungry? By the way, mice are real record holders in reproduction. One pair of mice can produce up to 100 babies per year. That's how fecund they are. And mice are also excellent swimmers. They can swim across small bodies of water if they need to find a new place to live or escape from predators. By the way, mice are nocturnal animals. During the day, they usually hide in shelters, and at night, they go out to look for food. So if you hear a rustle at night, it could be a mouse. And mice are real gourmets. They prefer to eat what is tasty and nutritious, and not just what they have at hand. Or at hand. And finally, mice are an important part of the ecosystem. They serve as food for many predators, from owls to foxes, and help spread plant seeds. The next animal is an owl. Owls are real masters of the nightlife. They hunt in the dark, using their incredible hearing and vision, which are many times better than a person's. By the way, owls can turn their heads 270 degrees. It's like a natural mechanism that allows them to see almost everything around them without moving their bodies. Owls are also silent hunters. Their feathers are designed in such a way that they fly almost without sound. It's like a natural stealth mode, so that the victim doesn't even have time to understand what's happening. Owls are predators. They feed on everything they can catch, from mice and insects to fish and even other birds. Well, what if you have a good appetite? By the way, owls have huge eyes. They take up most of the skull and help them see in the dark. Owls are also excellent parents. They take care of their chicks, feed them, and protect them from predators. Some species even use old nests of other birds to raise their offspring. Interestingly, owls are solitary. They prefer to live and hunt alone, except during the mating season. Well, why share the catch, right? And owls are real long livers. In the wild, they can live up to 10 to 15 years, and in captivity, even longer, if they are well cared for. And finally, owls are an important part of the ecosystem. They control the populations of rodents and other small animals, helping to maintain balance in nature.